Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad easy method. Start by washing and drying all produce, then cut strawberries, apples, and melons into similar bite-sized pieces. Combine citrus segments and softer berries last to avoid crushing. Add a simple dressing of honey and lemon to brighten flavors and prevent browning. Chill for a short time to let flavors meld, then serve fresh and enjoy. Choose a balance of textures and flavors to keep each bite interesting and satisfying. Aim for crisp apples, juicy grapes, soft berries, and a fragrant stone fruit or melon. Wash everything thoroughly and dry to prevent watery salad. Cut fruits into similar sizes so each spoonful tastes balanced. Taste as you go and adjust sweetness with a bit of honey or citrus if needed for brightness. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so you don't miss more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes kitchen cleanup almost fun, and it finds crumbs under the table faster than you can say fruit salad. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Prep efficiently by setting up a clean cutting board and sharp knife, and work in batches by fruit type. A simple dressing of lemon or lime juice plus a drizzle of honey keeps colors vibrant and flavor bright. Fold dressing in gently to avoid breaking delicate berries. If desired, add a handful of chopped mint or basil for aroma and finish with a tiny splash of liqueur for a special occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.